I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials, device firmware versions, antenna specs, and the coordination database. First actionable step, power on both radios and load default profiles so you have a known baseline. Once done, set IP addresses and temporary management access so you can reach devices remotely. Make sure to note channel width and modulation limits. This lets you plan throughput versus link robustness. Do this now to avoid rework in later alignment and tuning steps. Now you configure radios for the intended link profile. You will set transmit power, select the exact frequency and channel width, then enable frame aggregation and hardware acceleration if available. After saving settings, apply security, strong PSK or certificate, so the radios only accept authenticated peers. Once configured, physically rough align antennas, check RSSI and SNR, and run a short iPerf or throughput test. If performance is low, reduce height or fine-tune azimuth. Finish by locking configs and enabling persistent monitoring so changes are auditable. You should run extended tests, 24-hour or longer, measuring ping, MTU stability, jitter, and sustained throughput to confirm link endurance. Once satisfied, document antenna orientation, cable lengths, and exact parameter values for future maintenance. If things go wrong, first isolate interference. Scan spectrum, switch to a clean channel, and swap RF cables or ground straps. If problems persist, test with a known good backup radio to rule out hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.